Do you want to see how many people from a specific company registered to your webinars? It's actually very easy and takes only 2 minutes to set up. In step 1, we need to make sure you have got a contact level registration count. So go check a contact record under CRM contacts, then open someone who registered for a couple of your webinars. You need to look for a number property, something like total webinar registrations. For us, it's going to be contrast registrations right here. You can see this contact has registered for 83 of our webinars. Once you confirm you have this property, we can create the rollup property. Let's go to settings. In the top, you have the settings icon. Click on it. Then scroll down to properties. Here you need to click on this select an object drop down right here and filter it to company properties. And on the right side, you have the create property button. Click on it. Give it a name. Then click on the field type drop down and select a rollup option. Now rollup type should be sum and the number format should be formatted number. We don't touch this one. Now the part that actually connects this to your data is to select the associated object right here. Click on this drop down. This is where you pick that contact level number property you confirmed exists in step 1. So I'm going to select contact and I'm going to select the associated record property, which was contrast registrations. You can also add a condition here if you want extra filtering logic. You can set up to 50 conditions. For example, you can sum up registration count for those who have a specific life cycle stage. But if you want a simpler version, you can skip this. Now we can click on this create property button. And our property is created. Once this is live, it's usable everywhere a normal property is. You can, for example, filter a list of companies with 5 or more total registrations to find out your most engaged accounts, or you can build a workflow that notifies your sales team the moment a company crosses a threshold. You set it up once and it works in the background. Hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.